YouTube? We are back with another video today. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing a mukbang Steven Sushi style, which is pepperoni pizza and hot wings. I did not get ranch, so I got some blue cheese. We do have soda here, and we are ready to eat. This is going to be a mukbang that's so late. It's like we promise to make videos every day, and we're being consistent this time because we always say that. But this time, I'm on it, y'all, for real. So let's dig in. First thing first, you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
Make sure you're part of our gang. And
hit that bell so you can be notified.
Yeah.
When we post a game.
And you guys, if you guys are new here, I'm Ari and she's Kay. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let us know that you enjoyed this video. And if so, make sure we're aware of that. Okay? We need to know so that we can keep in contact with you guys and make sure that we are keeping connected with our subscribers. So let's dig in. Go ahead.
So I'm gonna go for one of these wings.
Y'all, I want to get that bubbly ice that keeps bubbling the entire time. That's one thing I do want to try. I'm going to roll my sleeves up. It's a little chilly in here. Okay, so I'm going to get pizza first because that's what I've been really craving, y'all. Who do you think has better pizza? Domino's, Pizza Hut?
Pizza Hut.
Okay.
But lately, Domino's has been stepping up.
Lately, you tripping. Domino's has the best pan pizza. I love pan pizza. Bro, I really do. So, people always ask us like things in the comments like, where are we from and stuff like that. So how about you start telling them about yourself? I don't think we ever did an introduction video. Or get to know us.
I'm Kay. I'm from South Carolina. This is my girlfriend.
Stuff about you.
I play games, NBA, 2K specifically. I'm in college right now, and
anything else you want the people to know about you?
nah, bro, I like to eat. That's it.
Okay. What type of videos do I make?
Reaction videos, pranks. I got a prank coming for y'all maybe.
I do not like pranks because 9 times out of 10, I'm the one getting pranked. Oh, my pepperoni fell off. So, And plus, in the last prank, y'all, my eyebrow got ripped off. So, absolutely not.
That's not what happened.
You super glued it to my face and it ripped my eyebrow off. You like poured the glue on my face. Either way, that's a no-go. Okay, ask me questions about me so I can like introduce myself too.
What do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
What do you feel is your favorite dish or the best thing that you cook?
This is questions people want to know. A roast and seafood. And what do you think I cooked good?
Salmon. Salmon is on point. Jerk chicken.
Okay.
Roast. Steak.
That's what you say I cook good.
I'm the pork chop person.
This is about me.
I just had to throw it out there.
Okay.
If y'all like pork chops, holla at me.
Ask me some more questions. Okay. Like I said, I'm Ari, and I'm 22. I'm from DC, but I'm from everywhere, really. What I like to do? I like to read books, like urban books, and I love a good TV show, a good TV show series. I'm such an introvert. I'm a Cancer, and no, that's pretty much it. I'm in school, biology major, and
That girl's smart. Well, I had this still on your own.
so that's pretty much it about me. We have been together for 4 years this September. What else? How do we meet?
She tried to holla at your girl in the student union.
Tried. I did.
She shot her shot.
Yeah. And I never
Oh,
shoot my shot, y'all. Why you say
that was an ugly bite. I had stuff like
today did not go as planned because, excuse me, we were planning on doing a spicy challenge. We did go to the Korean Mart to get some stuff that I needed, like some spring roll wraps and spring roll sauce or sweet chili sauce. And y'all, I just could not do it today. I couldn't, like, the spice challenge, I just did not have it in me today, y'all, for real. I did not have that in me, honestly.
But another challenge is coming soon.
What, a spice challenge? Yeah. But another thing I will say, you guys, is I love black bean noodles, and the reason why I've only made a couple videos with black bean noodles is because I don't really like the spicy ones like that, like the Samyang ones, because like they are really hot, and plus they're chicken flavored. They are hot. So I went to the local Korean market around here, and which there's only two, but I went to the better of the two, and I got my black bean noodles, and I wanted to try the Chinese version, but I just got the Japanese ones instead, and I'm so freaking excited to do black bean noodle video for you guys because they love those videos on TikTok for some reason. People love black bean noodles on TikTok. Isn't that crazy? So, what else do you think people want to know about us? Because someone asked me today in the comments, where are you guys from? And the answer is, I'm from DC and she's from South Carolina. I think you guys will get to know us a lot better once we do like our 21 or 31 days of vlogging. Honestly, like besides mukbangs and stuff.
If you guys want to see us like any challenges or pranks or any video ideas, just drop them down below.
You keep saying pranks.
I didn't say pranks. I said challenges.
And pranks. Yes. Oh, no, I'm not going. Absolutely not. That is not cool. Can't we just make it? You know what? I think you'll see how it feels once I prank you.
I don't think that will ever happen.
If you guys have not seen the crazy prank she did on me the last time, like I think the only thing that would be equal to you ripping my eyebrow off is like me gluing you to a toilet or something.
You're not crazy, bro.
But I don't want to take no skin off.
I'm trying to be funny.
No, I'm just saying.
I already have a mark back there. I don't need.
I know. Because Kelsha busted her butt in the shower. I almost took her butt crack off. So she already got a patch, y'all. I don't want to give you another one. A light skin patch.
She got jokes tonight. Yeah, that was so good. I don't know, it's like the dough was different tonight.
What,
they put more effort.
We went to a different Dominos this time.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah. I guess I just opened the one up by our house and it's not all that great, you guys. That's why we don't do like videos on pizza that much, because the pizza's not all that great. But this one that's like a little bit farther from my house is really good. It's by our old apartment. Yeah.
I do want to do like a hot wing video too though. Like another like not blazing.
Blazing challenge.
Or maybe like the wing stop.
Nuclear. Again?
Did we try the nuclear ones?
What ones did we try at Prissy?
That was at Buffalo Wild Wings. We tried like the hot ones, the blazing. No, the
Dragon Fire.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's more hot wings to do?
No, I was talking about at Wingstop.
If you guys want to see us do another hot wing challenge, I'd rather do hot wings than hot noodles.
Nah, I'd rather do the noodles.
You'd rather do hot noodles and hot chicken? Please.
The flavor is better, especially like with the noodles. It tastes better.
We'll see how good I do on this. Okay, you guys. I think that's all. Well, matter of fact, let me just finish this off. I can't eat this whole pizza. Okay.
Y'all, I'm full, bro. But that's gonna be fun tomorrow. Hopefully, the noodle challenge. So be on the lookout for that, y'all. And we also may do like a truth or dare or never have I ever or something. Too.
Okay. Now I'm done. I had to finish that last wing so I can just leave it hanging. I'm stuffed. Thank you guys for coming to eat with us today. We really honestly appreciate it. Before you leave, if you didn't do it the last time, we asked you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that your notifications are on for all our posts, even our channel notification post, or just like our, what's it called? Community post. So, me and Miss Pepperoni will go down. We love you guys. We appreciate y'all. Make sure that you guys come back tomorrow. We will post another video tomorrow. Come back and see what's going to be. You know, it might be a challenge. It might be
a prank. Now I said a prank. It might be spicy.
I'm through. It's a wrap. See y'all later. Peace. Bye.